Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Jonathan, and welcome back to Money Talks. I'm so excited to walk with you as you begin your investment journey into the stock market. But first, if this is your first time joining me here on the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. The first thing I want you to do when investing into the stock market is to make sure you have a 6-month emergency fund set aside. Now, the emergency fund is usually talked about in form of protecting you against life, job loss, car repair, home repair, things of that nature. But your emergency fund actually also protects your investment into the stock market. If you didn't have an emergency fund and you may have just been furloughed or let go during this pandemic time, and also from an investment standpoint, this is a bear market. So you would necessarily have to pull out the money that you have invested, and right now most accounts are down. So you would have taken a loss in order to fulfill the need and solve your problem. So your emergency fund is a critical piece of your overall financial plan, but it protects you and your ability to be able to start to create wealth within the stock market. Number two, I want you to look at the money that you plan to put into the stock market and think about that you don't actually need this money for at least 5 years. Statistically speaking, if you leave that money within the stock market for at least 5 years, you have the greatest statistical chance of you actually returning dividends and becoming profitable. It's very important that you understand that the money that you put in, you want it to create wealth. And obviously it's an investment. So you want to make money and give yourself the best opportunity to do so. So the 5-year rule, again, is based off the history and historical data that has been proven time and time again. Number three, I want you to begin to shift your mindset to begin to think long term when you're investing into the stock market. Investing into the stock market is a great opportunity for you to actually create wealth. Most people start to think about the stock market when you think in terms of retirement. But I want you to think about this is your first step into actually creating wealth for your future and creating financial independence for yourself. The stock market can definitely be a great opportunity for you, but the key to success in it is understanding that you have to ride the wave for long periods of time. And to get the biggest bang for your buck and opportunity for you to create wealth, you need to have a long-term view so that when we're in a bear market like we are now, or things happen in your life, you understand, hey, I'm invested into the stock market, I'm invested for the long term, and I'm not going to deter from that plan. Lastly, before you start any type of investment, but especially an investment into the stock market, you need to have a strategy. And in that strategy, you need to understand the components that make that strategy work. So understanding stocks, mutual funds, diversification, all those different things is going to be critical to your success. You can do that by getting with a financial advisor, getting with a financial coach like myself who can explain the nuts and bolts of investing for you, reading books, or watching videos such as this. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. But truly understanding the nuts and bolts of what can make your strategy work and all the different ways that you can actually invest into the stock market, you build a strategy that you are most comfortable with. And when it does come time like this, where we're in a bear market, you know what to expect out of your investment. You know that you're investing long term, and you know that you should stick with it. So I hope this video is helpful in helping you get started on your journey, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.